everyone, and welcome to Tractor of the Year 2021 preview. This year, due to the difficult situation, all the physical events had to turn into a digital event. And I would like to congratulate with Fedro Nakoma for this digital platform that gives us the opportunity to stay in touch and to provide to the audience new and interesting contents through a new and alternative way. Today, we would like to share with you what we have done and what we are still doing in this tough situation with Tractor of the Year. Before that, let me give you some extra information about our project. Tractor of the Year is a free and independent organization composed by 26 professional journalists coming from as many countries. Every year, the jury selects the tractors in competition and after a long evaluating process, elects the winner. This year, thanks to our official sponsor BKT, we established our own digital platform, which is called totedigital.com. And the main purpose of this platform is to share all the information about Tractor of the Year and to share those contents which are dear to our industry. We actually produce contents about digitalization, agriculture 4.0, contents about how the driving experience of modern tractors is changing. Last but not least, we published a special document called TOTI White Paper. This document is very interesting and easy to read, and it gives you a general overview of where our industry is today in terms of technology, and what are the future challenges in order to provide to the market tractors capable to satisfy the market demand, which requires tractors that must be more efficient, more productive, more connected, more sustainable. And these interesting contents are available as videos. You can watch them for free on both on totedigital.com or, if you prefer, on tractoroftheyear.org. As mentioned, all of that is possible thanks to our new sponsor, BKT. And actually today, we are streaming live from the headquarters of BKT. Therefore, I would like to welcome on stage Mrs. Lucia Salmaso, Managing Director of BKT Europe. Welcome, Lucia.
Thank you, Fabio. Hello, everyone. Many of you know me already. Many are friends. Welcome to you all, and thank you for your presence on this important day for TOTI 2021. I am Lucia Salmaso, CEO of BKT Europe, and as from this year, we are the sponsor of Tractor of the Year. We have chosen to partner TOTI because this award is a symbol of innovation and it's looking towards the future. Two concepts which hold very dear at BKT. We both want to disseminate knowledge and expertise in agricultural mechanization, a sector in which BKT can act as an expert of the tire component. Now, I want to share with you our feelings about the future of the segment, looking ahead to try to imagine the challenges which await us in terms of technology. First of all, I must confess that being a partner of TOTI means going on a wonderful journey to discover the best technological solution created by the leading manufacturers. Under our eyes, the identikit of the tractor of the future has taken shape, in which every component is a continuous evolution and is never frozen in time, design, digitalization of data, consumption, safety, to name just a few. And of course, let's not forget the tires, which are one of the key components which help reinforce vehicle performance in global terms of environmental and economic sustainability. We will no longer be able to define the tractor of the future as simply a machine, a vehicle. Instead, it will be a genuine system, deeply digitally connected. In short, a data incubator linked to the outside world. Inside the cabins, equipped with every comfort for the driver, monitors will provide real-time work data, weather condition, for example, through GPS and sensor, physical and chemical condition of the land, forecast working times, consumption, and much more. And then, sustainability. We make tires We too are called on to make our contribution in terms of research and development, when the task is to create a tractor which is perfectly integrated in a common mission of global sustainability. This is where the tire component is essential, and BKT is here to bear witness to that. Integrating the new generation of agricultural vehicles means, for example, using sensors mounted on the tire, which can communicate data such as the consumption of the tread or the compactness of the soil, in order to vary the tire pressure in relation to the type of use and surface. But it also means working to select the raw materials and processes with reduced environmental effect, innovating through mixes which use, for example, nanomaterials and raw materials with a low environmental impact. On the one hand, improving important features of the tire, such as, for example, low rolling resistance and heat control during use. On the other, a greener vision of the production process. For BKT, the strategic objective of reducing consumption is, in reality, a global objective and specific choices, such as the in-house production of carbon black. In this march to the future, we must not forget two essential points which for BKT represent the essential basis of every activity. First, sustainability starts with the choice of the perfect tire for each application, environment, and need. Using the wrong tire can cause environmental and economic damage and waste. That is why our range is so wide. Everyone must be able to choose the most effective solution, and we are here to give everyone this chance. Second, everything for us starts from dialogue with our customers and the end user. They are the source of valuable daily indication, thus showing us the road to the future. We are tackling numerous cutting-edge issues which require time and lots of testing. In particular, I would like to focus on the enormous unexplored potential of sensors, applied both to vehicles and to tires. A farmer's work processes are numerous. The possibility of changes during a single day or work cycle is very high. Hence, the mounted sensor gives us the opportunity to manage the unexpected, but also to plan strategically. Just think that researchers are also studying optical sensor, laser scanner, humidity detector, which can cross-reference in real time the data already provided by GPS systems. These systems can really help the agricultural sector make a gigantic leap into a future built around the concept of global saving. The higher the level of automation, the more sustainable agriculture will be. The ability to transform a tire, to put it at the service of a function is an essential step for BKT. This is another reason we were attracted to Tractor of the Year. There are many aspects of this future in which we feel ready to intervene, to contribute. Our research is deeply committed to the continuous development of tires which can fit out electric vehicles, where the type of energy and load distribution has led to the creation of dedicated products. Continuous use and high torque place a great strain on the tire, and we immediately took steps to strengthen the bed, adapt design of the lug, and reduce the depth of the tread. And this is just the beginning. The future must be faced with courage and determination. It must not frighten us. In these months, we have found ourselves crushed by the unpredictability of life, where the unexpected forces us to change direction, to change our plans. On behalf of BKT, I feel that I can state that the determination, strength, and resilience which mark us out drove us closer to the future, thanks to the enthusiastic vision of our researchers and the patience of our developers. So let's take and follow the example of Tractor of the Year. Let's recognize the best, and not even 2020 can stop agricultural development. Thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much, Lucia. Very, very nice words, and let me say that we are all very excited about the incredible work that we are doing all together. As mentioned in the beginning, we have done a lot, and we are still doing a lot. And just to give you a taste of what has been done so far, we prepared a quick video for you. So as you have seen, thanks to new technologies, we were capable to involve people from almost all over the world. And all these contents have been spread everywhere, reaching more than 500,000 views. And talking about reaching people through digital tools, as mentioned in the beginning, FEDUNACOMA has established the digital platform that is actually hosting this event. This platform will remain online for several months, and for sure that's going to be quite a challenging project. Today we're very glad to have in connection directly from Bologna, Italy, Mr. Alessandro Malavolti, President of FEDUNACOMA. Welcome, Alessandro.
Hello, Lucia. Hello, Fabio. Greetings from Bologna. This is the first day of our EIMA Digital Preview Edition, the first digital show that FEDUNACOMA is organizing. And I'm very glad to see with you and to be with you and to be present at the 24th edition of Tractor of the Year. I remember that the first edition was in 1998 in Fiera di Verona at that time, and the first edition in EIMA was 2002. I would like to thank the magazine Trattori and all the other magazines around Europe and around the world that have, in all this year, enlarge, make a huge job to make this event as the most exciting and the most important events in our field of the agricultural mechanization, I think, around the world. For me, it's very important. This is a period of pandemic, so it's a very strange period. The very good thing is that after a pandemic, there is always a renaissance. And we hope that during this month and beginning of next year, all our sector, all our business will start again even better than what was after last year. So, as I told you before, for us, I'm very excited because the Tractor of the Year is the incredible event in our sector. All our company are making all the effort to present a new tractor, a new project. So all the technical department, R&D department, the marketing department, sales department, and production department are just focused on this prize. This prize is not important for the money, as you know, but is important for the marketing support and to give some new idea and some innovation to our market. So I would like to thank the president of the jury and all the journalists that have collaborated with this event this year. Unfortunately, we are not in EIMA, Bologna, but we will be in EIMA, Bologna next year. We hope to give you the next date as soon as possible to present the winner. So today I'm very excited to hear which are the finalists of this prize. Thank you about the invitation for myself and from Federona Coma.
Thank you, Mr. Malavolti. Thank you for your words, and it was for sure our pleasure having you here in this occasion. And let's really hope that soon we will be in the condition to be free to travel and to meet personally. But now, let's go back to Tractor of the Year and let's talk about tractors. Actually, in order to better represent the market, the award is split in 4 different categories. The first one is Best Specialized, category dedicated to orchard, vineyard, hill, and mountain tractors. Second category is Best Utility, category for multi-purpose and utility tractors with more than 70 horsepower, maximum 4 cylinders engine, and maximum operating weight 10,000 kilo. Then Tractor of the Year, which is the historical category, the one that gave the name to the World Contest, and this category is dedicated to open field tractors with no limits. And all the tractors shortlisted for the 3 main categories run for the special award called Sustainable Toti. And talking about tractors again, today we are very glad to share with you a real premiere. Here in the next video that we made right for this occasion, you will see all the tractors in competition for Tractor of the Year Awards 2021. Let's enjoy. And here we are. In total, we have 19 tractors, and that's for sure quite a great lineup. And to evaluate all the tractors competing for the 3 main categories, the jury has to take into consideration specific technical parameters that include engine, transmission, hydraulic, innovative technical features, comfort, electronics, design, versatility, and last but not least, connectivity and precision farming. As mentioned, all the shortlisted tractors in competition for the 3 main categories run also for the special award called Sustainable TOTI. And in this category, the jury has to go through a deep journalistic analysis by having in mind some of the industry sustainability megatrends, which are digitalization, automation, servitization, electrification, and alternative fuels. In other words, the jury has to spot how new technologies are making tractors more connected, more safe, more reliable, more efficient, more effective on soil protection, and less polluting. So, ladies and gentlemen, we just wanted to give you a general overview about Tractor of the Year 2021. Thanks again to Federal Nakoma for hosting this digital event. Thanks again to BKT for working with us in all the phases of this project. And in conclusion, we would like to end this event by giving you another absolute premiere. The awarding session of Tractor of the Year 2021 will be a full digital event. It will be a great show. We are already working on it. And we're gonna have guests in connection for almost all over the world. And only in that occasion, and not before, will be announced the winners of Tractor of the Year awards. So you definitely cannot miss it. So keep your agenda busy for December 18 at 3 p.m. on totidigital.com. That's all from my side. Thanks again to Federal Nakoma for hosting this event. Thanks again to BKT and to all the team that is working with us. And let's keep safe and goodbye.